It is a summer of extremes. Burning temperatures followed by raging fires, wild storms, and torrential rain. And a run of broken climate records. Canada is used to wildfires, but this year is different. 4 times as much land has burned than any other season since 1990. 20 million acres have been scorched, with smoke spreading across large parts of the U.S. at the start of July. The emissions from the fires could dwarf those from fossil fuels emitted by the country this year. Parts of the U.S. itself are so hot that doctors are treating patients for burn injuries after falling on pavements. More than 5,000 heat records have been broken or tied in the U.S. in recent weeks. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association, Phoenix, Arizona has had more than 25 days in a row of temperatures above 43 Celsius 110 F, shattering the past record of 18 days, while fierce storms caused flooding in Vermont. Further south, Uruguay, on the banks of the River Plate, is experiencing its worst recorded drought in 74 years after low rainfall and record high temperatures at the start of July. The main Paso Severino Reservoir was down to just 1.7% capacity. Water supplies have been topped up with salty water from the estuary, forcing millions in the capital, Montevideo, to rely on bottled water for drinking. Asia experienced the opposite extreme, with intense rain causing floods and landslides across several countries, including India, Japan, and China, as the vast region experiences a powerful monsoon season. In northern India, authorities say about 100 people died due to landslides, flash floods, and property collapses in the first 2 weeks of July. Japan reported record-breaking floods on the island of Kyushu. It's raining like never before, a spokesman for Japan's meteorological agency said. While many factors contribute to flooding, scientists say climate change due to global warming has increased the likelihood of heavy rain across the world. Because a warmer atmosphere holds more water, unusually heavy rains led to the deaths of several people and damaged infrastructure across China at the start of the month, with soldiers and armed police drafted in to help. But umbrellas were soon being used to shelter from the sun rather than the rain, as unusually high temperatures hit the country, including in the capital, Beijing. China provisionally broke its highest temperature record on the 16th of July, when it recorded 52.2 C 1 to 6 F in the western Xinjiang region. And hot weather has caused chaos across southern Europe and North Africa, with Greece suffering its worst July on record for wildfires. The country is at war, Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis says. Olive groves, beaches, holiday resorts, and homes burned as the heat wave created tinder-dry conditions for the fires to take hold. About 86,500 acres of land has been destroyed, according to the WWF charity.